5 super tasty reasons why you don't need to bother cooking fresh corn. It's no secret that fresh, juicy summer corn is supremely delicious. What you might not realize: you absolutely, positively do not have to cook it. In fact, you probably shouldn't. Fresh corn has a sweet, milky flavor and a satisfyingly snappy texture that disappears once heated. Plus, going the raw out is so much less work. No dumping whole cobs into a giant vat of boiling water or firing up the grill required. All you have to do: peel off the husks, slice the kernels off the cob, and devour. Of course, there's no reason to eat raw corn all by itself when it pairs well with so many other tasty summer treats, many of which also happen to involve zero cooking. Here, try it in one of these 5 insanely simple, majorly mouth-watering recipes. Zucchini fresh corn salad with lemon basil vinaigrette, the simplest way to use fresh corn kernels. Toss them straight into a salad, where they'll add loads of sweetness and crunch. Foodie Crush adds corn to a salad with shaved zucchini and summer squash, plus plenty of creamy crumbled goat cheese for a delicious flavor contrast. Drizzle on a simple lemon basil vinaigrette, and you've got a drool-worthy, no-cook dinner that's ready in 10 minutes flat. Sweet corn gazpacho: you've seen a million tomato gazpachos. But how about a bright yellow sweet corn gazpacho? The endless meal purees raw corn kernels with yellow tomatoes and bell peppers, garlic, jalapeno, olive oil, and lime juice for a creamy, sweet savory soup that's basically summer in a bowl. Tortellini pasta salad with tomatoes, basil, and fresh corn. Sure, corn on the cob is always great served at summer picnics and cookouts. But corn folded into a colorful, veggie-filled pasta salad is way more fun. And according to 5 Hard Home, you don't even have to cook the corn before mixing it with the other ingredients. Yup, it's that easy. Fresh beach and corn salsa. Salsa practically screams summer, especially when it's made with seasonal, farm-fresh ingredients. But that doesn't always have to mean tomatoes. Heather Christo's salsa is packed with sweet raw corn, chopped fresh peaches, hot chili peppers, and a drizzle of avocado oil for richness. It's bursting with natural sweetness, and yet, feels totally at home on salty tortilla chips or spooned over crispy fish tacos. Or eaten with a spoon. Whatever. Sweet corn and black bean tacos. Instead of the usual portobello mushrooms or sliced bell peppers, let sweet fresh corn star in veggie tacos. Cookie and Kate makes a crunchy salad with raw corn kernels, sliced radishes, chopped cilantro, and salty crumbled feta. Then, she stuffs it into corn tortillas along with homemade refried black beans and slices of creamy avocado.